Welcome back to the Wandering Channel. Today, we will explore Punta del Este Beach in Uruguay. This is one of the most beautiful beach destinations in South America, with fine white sand and clear blue water. Punta del Este is an ideal place to relax and sunbathe. A destination not to be missed for those who love the sea and excitement. Punta del Este, Uruguay, is notable not only for its beautiful sea but also for its climate and friendly people. With a temperate climate all year round, it has warm summers and pleasant winters, making it an ideal destination for all seasons. The people of Punta del Este are known for their hospitality and laid-back lifestyle. They love to share their natural beauty and outdoor activities with visitors. Punta del Este attracts visitors not only for its beautiful natural landscape but also for the charm of its famous beach. The long beach with fine white sand and clear blue water creates an ideal setting for a relaxing day. Girls in bikinis relax under the sun, bathing in the cool water, adding to the appeal of the beach. The marine ecosystem in Punta del Este is diverse and rich, creating a vibrant living environment. The area is notable for its coral reefs, seagrass beds, and rich marine flora and fauna. Corals and seagrasses provide shelter and food sources for many different species of fish and marine life, from small fish to large creatures. Tourism at Punta del Este Beach has a profound impact on Uruguay, not only economically but also socially and environmentally. With a large number of international tourists, Punta del Este contributes significantly to the local economy by creating many job opportunities and promoting marine service industries. Beach tourism plays an important role in the economy and culture of Uruguay. Punta del Este Beach, with its charming beauty and mild climate, attracts millions of tourists every year, contributing significantly to foreign currency earnings and creating many jobs for local people. Thank you for accompanying and supporting the Wandering Channel on today's discovery. Your interest and support are the biggest motivation for us to continue sharing wonderful destinations and interesting experiences. Don't forget to subscribe and follow so you don't miss our latest videos. See you again on the next journeys.